Hello and welcome to CustodyCalculations.tv. My name is Catherine McWillie. I'm your host and the CEO of Custody Calculations, Calendars, and Orders. You're watching the fourth in a series of programs being presented on the issue of family reform. Families going through the divorce process not only have to deal with the crisis of appearing in court numerous times, the impact to them financially, emotionally, and physically, while they make decisions regarding the children, the property settlement, financial issues, but then they need to deal with the many issues related to the court orders after the decision's made. Court orders that can sometimes continue to expand and overwhelm the parties. Court orders sometimes in cases can run as many as 10, 11, or 12, with only sections of the court orders being valid, replaced by a new court order whose language is sometimes confusing, making it difficult to understand which court orders are valid, which sections on court orders are valid, and which sections are no longer valid. It's not only a difficult issue for the parties involved, it's also a difficult issue for law enforcement on many of the issues when we respond to radio calls. A former law enforcement officer, my partner and I often responded to radio calls related to family law. We would be handed a court order. The court order would contain personal information regarding the financial aspect of the divorce case, how much money was owed in credit cards, how much is paid in child support or alimony, who fought over the family dog and won, who received the house, and many other issues. This is embarrassing not only to the law enforcement officers, but also to the families who present this information, and not just to law enforcement. Parents need to present this information oftentimes to school, to their employers, and without meaning to, sometimes the wording in the court orders can unconsciously affect the decisions or how we're viewed at our work by the officers involved in the radio calls, by the teachers in our classroom. Is there a better solution? We think so. Custody Calculations, during our 10 years of research, not only developed a method and manner in which we could reduce the number of court orders to only 3, also developed a method in which we could add the words privacy and dignity. Now, wouldn't that be a nice change to the family law court system? Here's how it works. Court orders are divided up into 3 different court orders: custody and visitation, property, and financial. When there's a change made to the property aspect of the court order, that court order is those sections no longer applicable are deleted and an entire new court order rewritten. If it deals with custody and visitation, that court order, those sections no longer valid are deleted and the new sections applied to a totally new court order. While this may be a labor-intensive method now, it isn't with the services of Custody Calculations. To learn more about our services and see how we can change the family law court system for the better, not just in your city or your state, but nationally, go to our promotional website, www.custodycalculations.com. Learn how you can also participate in our national campaign called the Power of the $10 Bill Campaign.com, and watch for our new launch on our new website called the Teens Against Bad Divorces. That'll be coming soon, and the URL address for that will be www.teensagainstbaddivorces.com. To learn how the issue of privacy and dignity is applied to the court orders, go to our website. Again, that's www.custodycalculations.com.